What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the agenda. What's up, family? So for this 24 karat gold chicken wings, all you're going to need is some onion powder, garlic powder, non-fat Greek yogurt, 24 karat edible gold, chicken wings, paprika, black pepper, and salt. And today I'm using pink Himalayan. I was on the internet the other day and I seen people eating gold chicken wings. I figured this would be a fun and exciting experiment. So without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, so what we're going to do, you're going to marinate your chicken wings in non-fat Greek yogurt. And if you don't have that, buttermilk. You're going to marinate these for 8 to 24 hours. And what this does is slowly tenderize your chicken. That way it has a tender bite to it when you eat it. Alright, give me a like. So we're going to go ahead and rinse these off. And we're going to put these on the pan to damp them dry. Alright, on a different cutting board, we're going to go ahead and damp these dry. We are going to be adding our dry seasonings or our dry rub. And because this is my first experiment eating this gold chicken, I want the best results possible. Okay. Next, we're going to add in our dry seasonings. Sorry about the blur. Adding in our pink Himalayan salt, our black pepper, our garlic powder, our onion powder, and last but not least, our paprika. And we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix. Yes, this is going to be beautiful. Okay, we're going to go ahead and grab your baking rack or your cookie sheet, and we're going to place our chicken wings on them, as you see here. And we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees to 375 degrees. And we're going to allow this to cook for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven. All right, and until then, quick facts. Is it safe to eat gold? Generally, edible gold is not harmful to the human body. Pure gold is non-toxic and non-irritating when ingested, but it needs to be pure gold. Lots of gold jewelry is made using mixture of gold and other metals which can cause heavy metal toxicity, so they are not edible. Good to know. That is good to know. All right, after 25-30 minutes, this is what we have. And it's smelling great. Next, we're going to take our 24 karat edible gold and we're going to apply these leaflets to our chicken, and that's what they look like. Now I will tell you guys, this was a pain using the leaflets. This is my first experiment eating gold chicken, so it was pretty fun nonetheless. Alright, after I got a couple leaflets together, now we're going to go ahead and add our 24 karat gold dust. And just a little bit, we're going to add it a little bit to the bottom of our bowl here, just like you see. We're going to add a couple wings. We're going to add a little bit more dust on top, and we're going to give this a nice shake. And I tell you, the gold dust gets everywhere. All right, let's look at this. Beautiful. All right. Let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Alright, so what's up, family? So today we are eating 24 karat gold chicken. I seen it on the net where people are paying thousands of dollars or $1,000 chicken. So I tried to replicate that the best way I could. I will tell you, the leaflets or the golden leaves are a pain. But that's what I saw. So this is a part 1. There will be a part 2 of this coming up. However, I want to know exactly what it is to eat fancy feels like. So go ahead and take this, and guys can see, I'm gonna try to zoom this in. It's gold chicken. Oh, my fingers. This was pretty fun to do, so let's go ahead and check this out. That's pretty cool. To eat golden chicken, pretty cool. I think next time I'm gonna go ahead and use the gold butter that they have on the net. Sorry. all over my fingers. But I've seen it all over the net, and it looked pretty good. So I did make this for my children. They wanted me to try it, and I'm trying it out, and it's not too bad. I just think next time I'm gonna use the gold butter that they recommend. So, hey man, I would advise you guys to try it out. It was a fun video to make. I'm gonna go ahead and smash the rest of this off the camera. But however, if you guys like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at the bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins and to our next food adventure. Peace.